Alright, so we have the Metal Crate unboxing, and it's the Halloween one, the best one, the one that we all love. This is probably the best Metal Crate they do every goddamn year, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm like, oh my, I didn't even expect this today, so let's open her up. Unfortunately, you'll be getting this first before I do my Nile update, because I'm obviously wearing my Nile shirt that I obviously can't show you properly, because but yeah, grey Nile shirt. You'll hear more about it in the next video whenever I get time to edit it. This is like easy done when I edit this one, so yeah. At least I've had more sleep. Probably I've had more sleep, I hope. Alright, I'm excited. Every year this has been the best one, so I mean there's a lot to it then, so we'll see. Yep, this is already great. Alright, that's everything out of there. Make sure. Okay, first up we get the pin. Oh, it's an Acid Witch pin. Look at that. Oh my god, that's amazing. I don't know if that needs to get like, but yeah, look at that. That is amazing. That is perfect. Glow in the dark. It's glow in the dark. Oh, well, it's okay. It's a glow in the dark exclusive pin. I 10 out of 10. Next up we get a Vanek patch. I actually don't know this band. I should check them out. But yeah, Vanek patch does look pretty cool though. I have to now go listen to Vanek and see what kind of band they are. They are probably amazing, so we'll check that out. But so far, so good. Okay, what have they got in here? The t-shirt looks pretty good. Ooh, hello. VHS Halloween treats? What? That looks amazing. I'll take that. VHS. I don't know what that's about. I really have no idea who VHS is. Or is it Halloween treats? Peckerhead. Whatever it is, it's cool. Alright. What is the next one? Oh my god, this is pretty sick. And the next one is a... Oh, they heard my cries. They heard my cries. They gave us a Vanek patch and they gave us a Vanek CD. Nice. I have no clue what kind of band this is though, but if this is good enough to have a patch, then of course I'm gonna give it a go and play with it. Like, hells yeah, man, hells yeah. All right, that is sick. Let's see the t-shirt. People trying to do stuff here. Ooh, mausoleum. That actually looks sick. I think last year we got, or close to, we got like a demon zombie one, but similar. But that looks quite good. I like that. I really do. Honestly, depending on how the music is, great. Great patch. I mean, amazing patch. Acid Witch, great band. Weird band, but great band. Vanek and the VHS. And obviously a patch. They brought patches back. I love how they brought patches back. 10 out of 10 there. Okay. Yeah, no. And obviously a great t-shirt. That it was great. I mean, it's hard to like expect more, but like that's pretty damn good. I'm very happy about that. Very happy. Good thing to come to when I come home from work after a long, annoyingly tough day. So awesome stuff. Anyway, check out the Metal Crate. Obviously they have the best seasons being October and December, which will be sent in November. And yeah, so yeah, I think this month will be the Christmas. No, next month the Christmas one gets sent out, and then October is November, and yeah. But anyway, good stuff. Check them out. If you're a metalhead or if you're into like punk and all that, there's a bit of a sweet dive of that as well. Awesome stuff. 10 out of 10. Rock on and all that. Anyway, that's Aussie Viking out. It's in Valhalla. You're awesome. You're amazing. You are loved. Rock on. Bye.